We have gathered here to stand in support to the Ankam Rahul's family. Ankam Rahul from our college, he belonged to this college. He is the third year student. He was doing his internship in MVSR college. On 27th of last month, he has disappeared from this college and found unknown for a week's time. Unfortunately, it was not communicated to their parents. Management kept quiet. Your principal has not even communicated or missing incident with the local police. With the lot of grief and sadness, their parents have made some reels and shorts to know where their son have gone to. Unfortunately, a person from Singarayakonda, Prakasham district of Andhra Pradesh, has found Rahul's body in a pathetic condition, in a well. During the time, Rahul father, Mr. Rajeshwar, has gone to the Kachiguda police station to report that his son is missing. Even during the time, college management did not stand with the Ankam Rahul's family. They have filed an FIR for the missing, and later they got to know that one dead body lying at the Singarayakonda is matching with the identifications of Rahul, which Rahul parents have reported in the Kachiguda police station. And after that, the Singarayakonda police asked Rahul parents to come to the Singarayakonda to check whether it is Rahul or not. They have checked all the identification marks, and unfortunately, it was Ankam Rahul, who was a student of this college. And with a lot of grief, they have come back. They have approached us, and in turn, we have come to your college. We have gone to your, we have visited your college and asked your principal, why you are not responding? Is he not your student? But what he is saying, why you are coming here? All the discussions are happening in the police station. Police are settling both the parties, and you need not to come here. It's a common thing in our college practice, is what he said. Is that a common practice in this college? Are we making bright students or criminals? Is this college making bright students or criminals? We all know that the persons involved in this issue from the MVSR college very badly threatened Ankam Rahul before he was missing from Hyderabad. They have made several group calls threatening very badly, and we don't know what has happened. He boarded the train at 12:30 in Kachiguda. Before that, he reached Kachiguda circle at 8:30 in the morning. For 4 hours, he was roaming around Kachiguda circle with various people calling him. 12:30, he boarded a train in Kachiguda. From there, he went to Secunderabad. From there, he has taken Shabari Express. And on the day itself, this issue has happened. Because by the time on 30th, they found the body, it was completely disposed. It was not in a good condition. By the time itself, incident has happened. What we are anticipating is, there is a very bad crime involved in this case. And moreover, unfortunately, all the main media people are trying to fabricate this case by saying that it was a suicide. Guys, if that was a suicide, why he has to go all the way from Hyderabad to Singarayakonda? Can't he do that here in Hyderabad itself? It is a mischief. It is a fabrication. All the main media is saying that and trying to impose or circulate, publicize that Rahul was a very, very sick guy mentally sick, and he has committed the suicide. Friends, this is not a suicide. This is a brutal murder. This is a cold-blooded murder, pre-planned murder, which has happened for Rahul. What we are saying, if it is for Rahul, why can't it be for us? If today it is Rahul, why can't it be for us tomorrow? What is this management doing? Earlier, within this year also, one more incident happened from this college, but they have not constituted any committee. They have not constituted any anti-ragging committee. What is this college doing? They have so much interest in making money by lot of admissions, but they are not concerned about students' lives and their security. It is a big time for all of us to stand with Rahul and stand with their parents. We are demanding Rahul body to be brought back to his village, to his family, and government should also stand with Rahul family. College, first of all, we all have to stand with Rahul. College management has to stand with Rahul, because Rahul is our bird, our boy, our friend, our classmate, and college has to investigate what has happened, why it has happened, and who is the culprit involved in this particular issue. But college management is not interested. They are saying that it is a common issue. How can it be a common issue? How can it be a simple issue? Is life not a matter to the college? Is a student life is not matter to a college? What are we doing? Is this college not going by the government rules? This college was running, incident happened on 27th, and during that time, it was a holidays from the government side. It was totally a holiday time from the government side. But without the permission, without letting the government know that they are running a college, this management is running a college without government's permission. So it's a violation. It is not only a simple violation, but what we are saying is we all have to stand together for Ankam Rahul, and we need to unveil who has done that brutal murder. College management has to inquire. They have to take the support from the local police. They have to take support from all of you. We have to give justice. We have to help Rahul family. And beyond that, college has to help the family, because they have lost their only son. They have lost their son. He was in final year. If he would have completed his course, probably he would have done a job and he would have supported their family and his sister. His sister and entire family is helpless now. We all have to stand together. We have to pressurize the management to extend this support, and you should also constitute a committee, anti-ragging committee, and you should not let any other person to involve in this kind of situation. It is our responsibility to pressurize the college management and government to do justice for the Rahul family and also for all of us. So what I am saying is, if this is true, if this is right, if this is justice, we all have to stand together for their family. I am standing for Rahul's family and for Rahul. If you all of you are also standing for the family, standing for the Rahul, let us come here, let us raise our hand and let us showcase our support, so that government can think, management can think, and it can become a Student Protection Act in our state. We have 70 lakh people studying in this state. 70 lakh people, primary education, intermediate, degree, PG, professional studies, 70 lakh people studying in this state. If we can bring a act like Student Protection Act, it can help 70 lakh students. 70 lakh students will get benefited. Let us stand together for Ankam Rahul family. Let us pressurize the government to bring that Student Protection Act. What do you say? If you say yes, please raise your hand. If you say yes, please raise your hand.
Yes.
What do you say?
Yes.
Kavali Student Protection Chattam. Ravali Vidyardhula Rakshana Chattam. Ravali Vidyardhula Rakshana Chattam. Ravali Vidyardhula Rakshana Chattam.